Wow, I just love the color. So we have a watch in the box. I guess this is a user manual and some other things. Okay, another cover. Now, this is what I call packaging for a branded product. So, okay, so this is a card that tells you how to use the Bluetooth calling feature. Okay, this is the warranty card, and you can use this by scanning the QR code, and it has a 1-year manufacturing warranty. So this is the user manual. This is the manual. I'm just gonna go through it later on. What else do we have here? Okay, so this is, I guess, the list of boAt products that you can buy. boAt has done remarkably well in Indian market in the past few years. And this would be probably my 4th or 5th boAt product. Okay, thank you card for buying. And then we have a boAt head sticker, which I love. And here's the USB charger. There's no adapter in it, but who needs an adapter? Everyone has one. Okay. So now we're gonna turn on the watch. Let's see how it looks first of all. Okay, how does it look? Nice. I love the color. It's very sporty color, and it's a silicone watch strap. So you know, the leather watch straps actually get spoiled very easily if you put hand in water. But the silicone one, nothing will happen to it. And here we have an option to replace the straps also. You can take it out and you can replace it. Now this is a nice thing to do. You do not have to go to a watchmaker to get the watch straps changed. You can just easily take it out. Here you see there's a pin here. If you move it, then you can just take out the strap. Okay, let's take off this cover. Nice and easy. And let's turn on the watch. Oh, wow, just love the color. And one thing that I love most about the boAt watches is the sensor and the touch response time. It's like super quick. See? Okay, so far it has been really great. So I clicked on download the app and it's showing the QR. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and scan it and download. Oops, but I'm making the video with my phone. No worries. But this is super nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the apps. Okay, it has watch faces and it claims to have like more than 150 watch faces. Screen sleep. For how long do you want the screen to be turned on? And this really depends, and like this changes the battery optimization also, and then we have always on display. Let's turn on that feature. Okay, it has vibration, so you can actually change the intensity of the vibration, and there are just two modes, soft and strong. and the third one is none. So I'm gonna keep it at strong because alarms cannot help me wake up easily, so probably this one. Okay, then under the system it has restart, power off, and the factory reset options. We do not want to do any of that right now. It has do not disturb option. It has, what else, it has download the app option, which shows the QR, and about the watch. So boAt Xtend Pro, and yep, that's the name of the watch, and it has the address, MAC address. Okay, this is about unboxing the boAt Xtend Pro Bluetooth calling watch. I love the color, I love the response time, and it has like 700 active features. So there are 700 ways that it can actually track your activity. I'm gonna go ahead and use this boAt watch for some time, for a few days, and then probably I'll upload another video to showcase how it works and to show the performance of the watch. Thank you so much guys for watching it. I hope you liked the review, the feedback, and the unboxing of boAt Xtend Pro, the Bluetooth watch. Thank you. Have a good day.